मनी साहिब जी जान है सब जी फिर भी बनाए बहाने मनी साहिब जी हाँ करता बहाने नैना नवाबी जी ना समझे इशारे धीरे धीरे नैनों को धीरे धीरे जिया को धीरे धीरे भाइयों रे साहिबो.
Hi guys, how are you all today? Welcome back to my channel. Now the festive season is just around the corner, and if you are like me, you too are on the hunt for the perfect kurtis and lehengas. So in this video, I thought of sitting down with you one-on-one and talking to you about some of my favorite shopping apps and the best ways to buy on these apps. Now I've done this for about 6-7 years. I have been doing like multiple Meesho, Myntra and Ajio hauls. So I do have certain tips and tricks every single time I'm shopping, and you guys seem to love those haul videos. So I thought, you know what, I will sit and I will give you the secrets of how you can get the best deals and the best outfits from these platforms. I'll also be sharing a few tips on what not to do on these platforms towards the end, so stick around for that. Now without further ado, let's get started. Starting off with Myntra, one of my favorite shopping platforms. What I love the most about Myntra is the kind of variety that this platform has to offer. Plus you can find the right garments in your budget. Now this especially comes in handy when you're shopping for a specific purpose, like for example right now we're shopping for Diwali. Aside from Myntra, there's also Ajio. Now if you're the kind of person who loves slashed prices, Ajio is your platform. Trust me when I say this, there is a sale going on almost everything on Ajio. And then coming on to Meesho, a platform that we all love. If you're on a tight budget but you still want to give your wardrobe a festive makeover, Meesho is your app. What I love the most about Meesho is that you can find everything in the right budget if you're buying from the right seller. Before we dive into each of these apps specifically, let me tell you that the best part about online shopping is whatever occasion you're shopping for, you can select that occasion from the drop-down menu in the filtering section, and it'll make things so much more easier for you. Essentially what that means is you're saving on time and shopping exactly for the product that you want rather than scrolling through the website trying to find the right product. And the thing about this filtering option is it leads you to the exact products that you want, and this is available on all three apps, so you don't really have to worry about it being on Meesho but not on Myntra and XYZ. It's there on every platform. That being said, here are some of my personal favorite tips that I use while shopping online to find the right product and to avoid buyer's remorse. Starting off with Myntra, whenever you're buying a product and you see the image of the product, right, zoom into it, and if you're buying, let's say, a kurti, zoom in and crop out the head and the blow dry or the footwear of the person who's wearing the model. Basically zoom in and see how just the garment is going to look. Sometimes the hairdo, the accessories, the footwear, all of this can cloud our judgment on whether or not the outfit is going to look good on us, because the outfit might be really kind of bland and it might not be as great, but because of the entire updo, it does look a lot better. And this is the reason, by the way, sometimes we order something and we think, oh ये हम पे अच्छा क्यों नहीं लग रहा, मॉडल पे तो अच्छा लग रहा था, because मॉडल की और बहुत सारी चीज़ें हुई हैं जो हम नहीं कराते हैं. So it's better that you zoom in, you just see the garment, and this will also help you understand if that color, if the color of the garment is matching your skin tone and if it's matching your personality, and then the decision that you make is going to be obviously a better one. Whenever you're shopping, make sure you add things to your wish list. Now this is absolutely free, इसमें कुछ नहीं होता ज़्यादा, you don't really have to spend too much time or effort. You just need to literally press the heart button and keep adding things to your wish list. So it's very easy, very convenient. When you order things individually, you're paying a lot of convenience fees on each product.
देखा आपने लापरवाही का नतीजा है.
It's basically like delivery fees, but if you group these orders together, then of course you're not paying the convenience fee. Now you can also keep adding things to your cart, which is what most people would do, but I would say add it to your wish list first and then keep it there for some time, sleep over it, think a little bit more about it, and if you feel like you really want to buy that, then of course go ahead and purchase. This also helps you reduce a lot of impulse purchases, guys. Trust me, I used to keep adding things to my cart until I realized wishlist का option इसीलिए है. Now if you're like me and you cannot make your mind कि मुझे ये चीज़ रखनी है कि नहीं रखनी है, do I want to buy this, do I not want to buy this, or if you're very used to say physically going and shopping, Myntra also has a try and buy feature, and this is exclusively on Myntra. ये Meesho और Ajio पे नहीं है, so make sure that you're making use of it if you are shopping on Myntra. So basically what this does is when you get the product, the delivery person does not go away. They stay there till you try, and then you can buy or you can just give the product back and you can return it basically, and you will not be charged for that product. So what this does is basically it saves you from the whole hassle of the return policies. For try and buy, this whole issue goes away, and because this feature is on Myntra, why not make the most of it? Myntra also, by the way, has an express delivery option. So if you use express delivery, you will get your products in I think about 2 days. So if there's ever a function that you have to go to and you don't know what to wear and you don't have the time to go shop, or you don't want to wait for like 7 days of like delivery period when it's online, just go to Myntra express delivery and see the products that are there and then filter it accordingly. Now, as I said, club your items together because Myntra also has a lot of discounts on items over a certain value. I'm sure you guys know about this, but just reinforcing it. If you buy something worth 1500, you might get a certain discount. If you buy something worth 3000, you might get another discount. Speaking of discounts and offers, make sure you also check out their offers page. And when you're checking out on certain bank cards, they will also be giving you an additional off. Especially for the festive season, कई बार हम बहुत सारी shopping कर लेते हैं, which is great. And उसमें जो आपको 10% भी discount मिलता है, the amount can be a lot. Whenever you're adding something to your cart on Myntra, before adding, make sure you scroll down and see the similar product section. बहुत सारे products होते हैं जो हमें उससे पहले वाले page पे, where we're actually scrolling and looking at all the products, we don't find, but we'll find this in the similar product section. Shein का similar product section was so strong. Their algorithm was super strong when it came to that. I feel like these apps are still trying to kind of match the standard that Shein had set, but इनका भी बहुत strong है. So definitely do consider. On Myntra, if you're looking at a white kurti, similar products ke options mein, you'll also be finding other white kurtis, other kurtis from the same brand, all of these options. So you can click on those and you can have a look. So this way you can get the best pick from the section and carry forward the diva look this Diwali. Okay, now talking about Meesho, I have done plenty of Meesho hauls in the past and another Meesho haul is very soon coming. So stay excited for that, guys. It's coming, I think, next week. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, bell notification icon will press kar do because I do make a lot of these videos. I post a lot of tips and tricks on online shopping, a lot of haul videos, a lot of vlogs as well. So I would love for you to join our family. By the way, before I jump into Meesho, there is a personal styling and self-grooming workshop on the 15th of October. That is Saturday at 5:30 p.m. that I'm hosting, and I would love for you to join that workshop. It's called the 55-minute fashion upgrade. In 55 minutes, you can completely transform your style, get to know more about your personal style, discover your personal colors, your power colors. And this time I've scheduled it well before Diwali, so there will be a special segment where we focus on dressing up in ethnic wear and how you can put together more of Indian outfits. And there will also be a 30-minute Q&A one-on-one where you can ask me any questions you have about styling yourself, about personal grooming, about etiquette. The registration link is down below in the description box, and we have limited seats, so it's first come first serve. So make sure that you are signing up for the workshop, and I cannot wait to see you guys. If you sign up using the link down in the description box, you will also be getting an exclusive cheat sheet on building your dream capsule wardrobe in a budget. So without spending too much, how you can have the wardrobe of your dreams. To get that exclusive cheat sheet, sign up for the workshop right away. Alright, now jumping onto Meesho, if it's too good to be true, it probably is too good to be true. Even on my Meesho hauls, I go to the comments and sometimes people are just like, yeah, but the quality wasn't nice, this wasn't nice, and the color faded away and things like that. And sometimes, yes, of course that happens. But let's say you see a really good lehenga for 300 rupees. I'm sure that's too good to be true, right? And in most cases, it will be too good to be true. It will probably be some kind of replica of the original design that the seller is showing online. So you're seeing the original, but you will get a replica of that in 300 or 500, whatever. Plus on Meesho, there are always multiple sellers selling the same product. So if you're buying something, search for different sellers and see which product looks the most authentic, which product has the most reviews, and always look at the photos in the review section as well. Speaking of sellers, if you do have, let's say, an image of your favorite Bollywood actress, for example, Kiara Advani or Alia Bhatt wearing a lehenga or wearing a suit or something like that, and you want the exact same one or something similar to that, you can use the search image option feature. So just like Google Images, Meesho and Myntra, by the way, and I think also Ajio, but Meesho and Myntra for sure have this search image section. So you can put the image right there, you can upload it from your camera roll or your gallery, and Meesho will show you something similar to that. Sometimes they even have like replicas, so this is really nice if you want something that looks the same but on a budget. Something that you can also do on Meesho is go for sets instead of buying things individually. So you can go for kurti sets instead of buying a kurti separately and plazo separately and a dupatta separately. Earlier, Meesho did not allow grouping items together and buying it together. So you had to add one item to your cart, buy it, then buy another item. Now Meesho has of course changed its thing, and they've made it very easy to shop on their platform. So you can add all of your things to the cart and buy it all together. You're also saving up on convenience fees because of that. To make your shopping interesting and very effective, Meesho has also come up with various occasion-specific filters. So let's say आप दिवाली के लिए shopping कर रहे हो या नवरात्रि के लिए shopping कर रहे हो, दशहरा के लिए shopping कर रहे हो, किसी भी function के लिए shopping कर रहे हो, तो Meesho ने अलग-अलग उसके sections बनाए हुए हैं. So if you want to buy something, let's say for a Diwali party, you can go to the Diwali section and shop from there. Or if you want to buy something for say Holi, you can go to the Holi section and shop from there. अलग-अलग occasions के लिए उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से इन चीज़ों को segregate किया हुआ है. You can also find accessories, you can find juttis and all of that in that section. But as I said, Meesho का सबसे बड़ा हैक यही है कि whenever you're buying something on their platform, make sure you go through the reviews. या आप haul videos देख सकते हो या फिर simply products के नीचे reviews होते हैं, आप उनको ज़रूर पढ़ लेना. Just have a look at the photos as well. See कि लोगों ने क्या बोला हुआ है. And if you think something is too good to be true, too good for the price, please ignore that. आगे बढ़ो और कुछ और ले लो. Finally, talking about Ajio. Ajio is known to have some of the best brands of the world. Trendy, exclusive, luxury brands ये सारे आपको Ajio पे मिलेंगे. So let's say you are a Taylor Swift fan or an Alia Bhatt fan and you want something from their wardrobe, you will for sure find it on Ajio. Ajio has you covered over there. Now, obviously, I am there to help you shop, and there are so many other YouTubers who do make videos like this who are there to help you shop as well. But with Ajio's capsule collection, shopping becomes very easy because they've literally consolidated everything and they're giving it to you on a platter. So basically, it's a cakewalk to plan your outfits with accessories because everything is right there. You just have to pick and choose and add it to your cart and your outfit is ready. If you're somebody जो बहुत struggle करते हैं कि नया क्या है or what do I get, what will look nice, what is the in thing, what is the most trendy thing, Ajio also has a daily trend spotlight where you can basically see what's new and what's trending and combat your trend blues. And Ajio also has an indie collections, and with the festive season right here, हम सबको अपनी wardrobes में at least एक नया Indian outfit तो add करना ही करना है. So if you are wondering what to add, you can go to the indie collection as well. Grab the indie fabrics and grace the Diwali parties. And that's about it. I hope this video helped you out in some way. If it did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and leave your comments down below. And I will be sure to add a few links of products that I really like on Myntra, Ajio and Meesho. In fact, this kurti that I'm wearing right now is also from Meesho and I absolutely love it. It's super nice, super cash. I will be posting a Meesho haul very soon, so stick around for that. Once again, if you are interested in the personal styling and self-grooming workshop that is before Diwali, so you can put in all of the tips that you learned during our workshop to the festive season while you're attending parties or pujas. Make sure you sign up using the link down below and you can get your exclusive cheat sheet as well. I will be seeing you guys very soon. If you enjoyed, thumbs up, leave your comments, let me know your shopping hacks and make sure you subscribe to the channel because that always helps. Aapki bhi Diwali ban jayegi, meri bhi Diwali ban jayegi. So make sure you join our family. One last thing before I leave, my Instagram is right over here. I post a lot of styling inspiration on Instagram. I go live very often. We have chit chats. I would love for you to join our family over there and I'll see you next time. Till then, happy shopping.
It's all